Hey theme lovers, welcome back to the channel with another HyperOS 3 customized theme setup. And this setup is especially for those users who want to upgrade their current setup with a clean premium look but without using too many fancy or over-designed themes. So let's see how this customized setup looks and how you can easily set it up on your Xiaomi device. Let's start with the lock screen, and here the layout looks something like this, where I have used the stock lock screen layout which perfectly matches with this customized setup and gives a very clean aesthetic look. Now to apply this lock screen, simply go to your lock screen and tap on Customize Lock Screen. Here, first we will select the wallpaper. Now tap on the clock layout and select this clock style. And now your lock screen has been successfully applied. Now coming to the home screen, the layout appears with a big centered clock widget at the top, which also blends really well with this setup and gives a clean premium vibe. Now to customize or apply this widget, first download the app whose link is given in the description. Then go to the widget section and select this 4x2 layout. After that, tap on the widget and go to time, color and font setting. Now tap on the font of time and select maxi length. Then tap on the date, color and font setting. Now tap on the font of date and select Roboto Medium. Lastly, go to Resize and Rotate. Then set the size for both time and date to -8px. And now you will get this beautiful clock widget on your phone. Now talking about the icons of this theme. The icons appear with a clean, colorful design which gives a perfect mix of iOS and Android style. And to apply these icons, simply apply this theme, something 26 as icons. Now coming to one of the main highlights of this setup, the control center. And the layout appears with a beautiful frosted glass effect along with white and blue toggles and a soft grey background, which makes this control center look much more classy and premium. But one of the most interesting thing about this control center is the volume panel layout. Whenever we enable the silent and D&D mode, the slider icons automatically change from blue to orange, which makes the overall volume layout even more premium and satisfying. Now to apply this beautiful control center, apply Play 3 as system. And finally, coming to the settings menu of this setup. The settings layout appears with an iOS-inspired design along with matching themed icons, which makes the layout look much cleaner and more modern. Plus, the right side dot for each settings and the colorful search bar design adds an extra premium touch to the overall setup. And with this setting layout, we complete this simple yet very clean and premium customized setup. By the way, you will get the backup file of this setup in the pinned comment. I hope you liked this HyperOS 3 customized theme setup. If yes, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HyperOS 3 customizations. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.